Add a round cube. Set it to quad sphere with an arc value of 100 or more. The round cube is available after you enable the extra object add-on in Preferences. In Sculpt mode, select the Line Project tool. Enable Mesh Symmetry. Drag the left mouse button to use the Line Project tool. Pressing F flips the direction. You can hold the spacebar to move the position of the line. Check Limit to Segment if you want to limit the effect to where you draw the line. The Line Project tool flattens geometry. It doesn't actually do any boolean cutting. So it's a good idea to remesh after you've finished using it.